How to make a post shareable on Facebook. First of all, go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Then, go to your profile. Scroll down and go over to any of your post. As you can see, your post is not shareable as there is no share button available. Now, tap on the three dots over the post as shown. Then, tap on Edit Privacy. Here, you can choose the audience for your post. Select Friends. This means that your friends on Facebook can view your posts. Then, tap on Save below. Now, go back to that post and you will find the share button below it which wasn't present before. Following these steps, you can easily make a post shareable on Facebook.